Okay, hi. This video is about a new book on coccyx pain that just became available. I just got my copy yesterday, so I'm excited to go through it. This is a book called Coccyx Disorders, and this is based on the 2016 Coccyx Pain Symposium that was held in Paris, France at that time. I actually just got today finished with the second International Coccyx Pain Symposium. I'm at the end of June 2018 now. That was a conference here in the Netherlands. I'm Dr. Patrick Foye from the United States, from tailbonedoctor.com is my website. And basically on this video I'm just sort of talking about this book that came out and a little bit about why it's a terrific resource for physicians that are interested in tailbone pain. And really it's a nice book to have all in one place. Discussion of lots of different chapters in here, everything from the history of coccyx pain, what's been written about it over the centuries, the anatomy of the tailbone and how that compares with some other in humans and how that compares with some other animals, evaluation for tailbone pain, everything from history to the type of x-rays to get sitting versus standing, MRI, CT scan, different types of lesions and abnormalities that can be seen on those types of imaging studies, including things like cancers and instability, dislocations, fractures, all of those types of things. There's a chapter in here on pudendal neuralgia, which is a type of nerve pain, not specifically at the coccyx, but does affect some other nearby areas within the pelvis. There's a chapter on rectal problems that sometimes can in some patients may go hand in hand with tailbone pain. There's a chapter on conditions that can mimic the coccyx pain, and how coccyx pain can sometimes mimic other conditions within the pelvis. So it's always important for physicians to keep in mind some of those things so that you can sort things out as best as possible. So those were about sections about the evaluation. Then there are other chapters specifically talking about treatment, including non-surgical treatment, so things like cushions and injections and things of that nature. The chapter that I wrote for this book is specifically on injections and the use as part of non-surgical treatment for Coccydynia. And then there's a chapter on surgery, which is coccygyectomy, surgical removal of the tailbone, talking about the different techniques that can be used, and then for all of these different treatments, what are some of the outcomes that are seen and how we can use these treatments to better help our patients with tailbone pain. Just sharing that I'm excited about the book being out. If your physician is interested in getting a copy, I don't remember the actual website, but I'll try to post it down below, the link to where they can find this, or you can Google the name of the book, which is Coccyx Disorders, and probably that will come up hopefully on the internet for you. It's a beautiful book. The cover, in my opinion, beautiful. I love the illustration of the coccyx here, shown very anatomically correct and also artistically beautiful. And the book itself is a color book, terrific images and illustrations, which can be very helpful for physicians that are trying to learn more about this area, to be able to see the different illustrations and the treatment and evaluation options that are available. So that's it for me, just sharing the information about the book. I guess I should mention I'm Dr. Patrick Foye, the director of the Coccyx Pain Center in the United States, online at tailbonedoctor.com. I'll post the link below where you can get this book. Again, this one written more for physicians. If you're interested in my book, which is written more for patients, you can get that either on Amazon or you can go to tailbonebook.com. Or just find me online at my website, www.tailbonedoctor.com. So that's all for now. Bye-bye.